How to negotiate a lower interest rate on your credit card. If you carry a balance on your credit card, a higher interest rate, also called an annual percentage rate, APR, can make it harder to put a dent in your debt. Negotiating a lower credit card interest rate is one strategy to get out of debt. It's a good idea to ask for lower rates on all your credit cards if you have more than one. But prioritize the issuer you've had a card with the longest. Another way to start is to call the issuer of the card that carries the highest interest rate. A drop in that card's rate will reduce the amount of interest you pay by the biggest margin. If your issuer isn't willing to offer a lower rate indefinitely, ask for a temporary reprieve. For instance, a 1-year rate reduction of 1 to 3 percentage points. Or you can ask for a temporary break for as long as you'll need to bounce back from financial trouble. Even if you have a card with a much lower balance than the others, call the credit card company and try to negotiate a lower rate anyway. Any money you save on interest helps, and be sure to use those savings to make extra or larger payments on cards with higher rates. That means making minimum payments on the rest of your cards, and putting as much as possible to the one with the highest interest rate. Paying off your total balance before the grace period ends means paying no interest on your charges. Lowering the interest rate on even one credit card may help you pay off debt sooner, which may also increase your credit scores. It's important to maintain good credit habits after you've lowered your interest rates and paid off debt. Avoid charging more purchases unless there's an emergency, and even then, an emergency savings account should help you avoid having to use credit cards in the first place.